Hello friends, my name is CA Rohit Tendulkar. Today I will discuss on the types of alternative investment funds that can be registered in India with sebi. Let us go to the first one, that is the debt fund. Debt fund means an alternative investment fund which invests primarily in debt securities of listed or unlisted companies or in securitized debt instruments as per the stated objective of the fund. So what does this debt fund do? It invests in debt securities only of listed or unlisted companies first. Secondly, it invests into securitized debt instruments, that is in accordance with the stated objective of the fund. So first the objective of the fund is stated and the investment is made accordingly. Let us go to the second alternative investment fund, hedge fund. Hedge fund means an alternative investment fund which employs diverse or complex trading strategies and invests and trades in securities having diverse risk or complex products including listed and unlisted derivatives. So it invests in every sort of investments. They also invest in derivatives as well. Okay. Now let us go to the third type of fund, infrastructure fund. Infrastructure fund means an alternative investment fund which invests primarily in unlisted securities or partnership interest or listed debts or securitized debt instruments of the investee company or special purpose vehicle engaged in or formed for the purpose of operating, developing or holding infrastructure projects. So it is only into infrastructure, investing only into infrastructure related projects. Next type is private equity fund. Private equity fund means alternative investment fund which invests primarily in equity or equity linked instruments or partnership interest of investee company according to the stated policy of the fund. So it invests in equity linked instruments or partnership interest in the investee company. The objective must be stated for the fund. Next type is SME fund. SME fund means an alternative investment fund which invests primarily in unlisted securities of investee companies which are SMEs or securities of those SMEs which are listed or proposed to be listed on SME exchange or SME segment of an exchange. So they invest typically in SMEs only. Next type is social welfare fund. Social welfare fund means an alternative investment fund which invests primarily in securities or units of social ventures and which satisfies the performance norms laid down by the fund and whose investors may agree to receive restricted or muted returns. So the returns are restricted or muted, but it is a social venture only. The fund is invested in social venture only. Next type is the venture capital fund. There are three categories of venture capital fund based on the investment criteria, investors. Thank you friends. My name is CA Rohit Tendulkar.